Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Baikal on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video it will be up and running.
mivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install Apache and PHP extension using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now download and extract Baikal using the following commands. Grant the necessary permission using these commands. Using a text editor, create an Apache configuration file and pass the following code into it. Change the server name to your domain name or server IP address. Enable the modeless and the site using the following command. Next, open your web browser and go to your domain name or server IP address. Complete this setup and you're ready to go. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching mivoCloud.